Hey everyone, it's Hannah with Libby's Story. I don't know if it posted it all earlier. We just went live doing our Tuesday tip, but for some reason I think our Wi-Fi connection was a little funny. So we're going to redo it, and if you tuned in previously, thank you so much. If you want to keep watching because you lost connection, please do, because I have a great Tuesday tip for you. It is something that is very applicable. It's something that y'all could use to make shopping easier, not only with us, but with other stores if they have this feature. If they don't, you could always shop with us, and that's great. But yeah, it's something that you just sign up on our website, and then you can utilize it on mainly Instagram, but if you wanted to use it on Facebook, you totally could. It's called InstaShop. Before we dive into that, while we let some people kind of come on, I was going to mention that I wore this outfit today because it's really gross outside, and I wanted like just a comfy tank top that I could throw on. We have this one in this heather gray, we have it in black, and this kind of corally pink color. It has a lot of detail on the backing. You can't really see it because I'm sitting down right now, but I will describe it later in our noon post and our 6 o'clock live, where you can kind of see it in action. Also, we're in Panera, if you didn't notice. There's just a whole lot of stuff going on back in Libby's Story. We have so many things coming at you. Me and my cameraman, we're going to be working on a lot of recorded stuff this afternoon, and we're very excited for y'all to see it. It's going to be super fun. It's going to be really great. But let's dive into our Tuesday tip, how to sign up for InstaShop, or just Insta shopping in general. I think it's a great thing for y'all to know about. If you go to LibbyStory.com, you're going to see this homepage. It's really, really beautiful. We just got it redesigned recently by our photographer, Erin. She did an awesome job. And if you look on the top left corner, it says sign up for InstaShop. So you're just going to click it. And the perk of InstaShop is that if you're laying in bed and you're just on Instagram and you see something you like, you don't have to get up and like go get your credit card to pay for it. You literally just comment on it and it shows up at your doorstep. Because I know that they have the product tags now in Facebook, which is great. It just takes you to our website and you can buy it there. But that doesn't have your information saved. It doesn't have any way. Like, you still have to type in your credit card information essentially. So you'd have to get up and find it, and that's just really annoying. But if you do InstaShop, you don't have to do that. It skips everything. You literally just say like you want it shipped, or you want to pick it up at whatever location, and then whatever size / color, if it comes in multiple colors, that you want. And then once you click on that sign up for InstaShop thing, it shows a video, so that's just another description of how to do this. But it also has it's very self-explanatory. Basically, it tells you how, like, what to comment, ship it, pick it up, and like what size. If it comes in multiple colors, you would put whatever color you want. So if you wanted this top, you would say ship it gray and a medium, or ship it coral and a medium, and we'd grab it. We would just charge your card. It would be no big deal. But how you sign up, you literally just put your email, your Instagram username, and then your credit card details, your billing address, and your shipping address. And then, oh my gosh, and then you are just good to go. That is it. That is all you have to do. I think our shipping orders over $75 ship free. Other than that, it's like $7.95, so about $8 for shipping. But if you spend $75, you get your shipping free, which I think is a really great deal. But yeah, so if you're ever just like wanting to shop on Instagram and not wanting to get up, definitely check out and see if the store you're shopping at, or see if you want to sign up for Libby Story, social shopping, Insta shopping, whatever you want to call it, because I just think it's a really easy feature to use, and it's something that's it just makes your life easier. It's a total life hack. But yeah, that's our Tuesday tip. We'll be back at noon with our New at Noon, which have so much good stuff to show you. And then we have 6 o'clock, which is going to be our outfit of the day. So check in live, Facebook, and on Instagram at Libby Story Ridgeland. We'll see y'all later.